Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another unboxing video and I have got a return of a past firm favourite and it is Pink Parcel. And this is what it looks like. I've had a sneak peek so I know what's inside, but I've only had a sneak peek lifting up the lid, so I know exactly what is inside, but I don't really know, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to be doing it on camera with you lot. So if you're new to my channel, then a couple of months ago I stopped receiving Pink Parcel. I've been receiving it for probably coming up to about 3 years, 2.5 years maybe, and I stopped receiving it in June this year. They went through a really bad patch. We were getting boxes with lots and lots of repeat products. Some of our boxes were coming without our sanitary protection inside, coming late, coming weeks late, and yeah, a bit of a nightmare, but we've had communication from Pink Parcel in the form of emails. They're completely open and honest, letting us know what exactly is going on, and a few months ago they promised that there would be changes. It got to the point where the pricing had gone up for me because I was a old subscriber. They kept my subscription at £10.50 a month. Now it's £13.50, and I just thought, with the problems and the repeat items as well, there didn't seem to be much change going on. So I thought, oh, do you know what, I've had enough, I'm going to cancel. So I've had lots of messages of you lot asking, Claire, have you cancelled Pink Parcel? Do you wonder what it's like? Are you going to resubscribe? So I thought for this month I will resubscribe. I might cancel again. I don't know, I'll see how it goes. I could talk about this non-stop. I'm sure you just want to know about Pink Parcel, about what is inside this month's September box. So if you've heard it all before and you just want to see the contents, I will add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Pink Parcel is a UK monthly period box. It's for ladies and it's a period box that contains your sanitary protection that you get to choose. You get to choose the brands and you get to choose the date that you'd like the box sent out to you. And also you've got the option then to have some pamper treats on the side. So they come in 3 different boxes. There's the needs box, which starts from £5, and that is just your sanitary protection to last you for the month. Then you've got the wants box, and in the wants box it's all the pamper treats. Now there's 5 beauty products and usually a sweet treat like a little chocolate and say a tea bag or a herbal tea, and that will cost you from £8 a month. Then you've got the all of it box, which is what I've got, and that is from £11 a month. Now shipping is £2.50. You can opt for faster shipping, so that will be all calculated at checkout. There's no contract, you can cancel any time, so you can dip in and out as much as you want. So on their website I found that they're doing a 15% off your first box, so I link that code down below. Underneath this video see show more, click that and that'll bring the description and everything will be listed down there. You always get a little pouch, and inside here you've got 5 panty liners and I've got 5 pads there. Then for later box I got 5 nighttime pads, so they're larger. I have got 7-day pads, so altogether I've got 5 night pads, 5 panty liners and 12 day pads. And this is the for you, the treat part. Give you a quick sneak peek. It all wants to fall out, so I'll just put this down beside of me. So the first item is your tea, and this is the Off Black Generation Tea. Future is pink, Earl Grey and rose, and it's a black tea. So it looks like there. Next we've got the sweet treat, and this is by Dozy and Dam, dark chocolate and maca vanilla and cocoa nibs, and yeah, this is a 25-gram little bar there. Now we've had a few of these in the past and they're really nice. So there's that. Now onto the beauty treats. We have got a Main Club Cha Ching. It's a 5-in-1 deep conditioner and junk-free formula, 50 grams, and it says get moisture rich strands and feel like $1,000,000. I've never had anything by this brand before, never even seen it. So it's a hair mask. So there's that. Oh, and it says conditions, tame frizz, strengthens, adds shine and repairs. Then we got a little Natura mask, and this is potato and parsley infused under eye mask, and it says rejuvenates under eyes and helps reduce dark shadows. And this is vegan, and this is 1 pair. I've had a full face mask of this and it's lovely, but I've never had eye mask in this brand before. I've never had an eye mask in potato and parsley. It's a bit weird, isn't it? But yeah, it just says put it on your eyes for 20 minutes and it should be really nice. So there's that. Then I got a Blue Iron liquid iron food supplement, 30 mils, and it says contains Nordic blueberry concentrate for great taste, gentle on the stomach. Iron contributes to the reduction of tiredness and fatigue. It says adults 10 mils a day. But this is 30 mils. How the heck am I going to work out what 10 mils is? Was it one sip? Next day another sip? I don't know. I got 30 mils here and I'm supposed to have 10 mils of it a day. I don't know, it's just going to be guesswork, isn't it? Unless I actually pour it out and put it into like a measuring jar or something like that. But I'm not going to do that. I'll just give it a big swig. Then we've got a teeny tiny Avant Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Antioxidants Duo Moisturiser with Vitamin C, and this is 10 mils. So this is a tiny little sample. But this brand is amazing. We've had a few Avant products in different subscription boxes, and yeah, we've had full size items which cost like £98. So this little 10 mils, I don't know, it could be like £20–25 worth, I'm not too sure. So I'll give that a go. I'm not sure if I've had that before. Don't think so. So there's that. And lastly, you've got a makeup product, and this is by So Susan Cosmetics, and this is Dream Maker. This is a light shifting highlighting cream. So that's what it looks like there. Really nice packaging. I'll give it a try on my hand. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my word. That is pretty. Can you see there? You can see all the colour shifts. I wouldn't use this on my face. Not on my, not on my actual cheeks or my cheekbones or anything. I don't tend to like things like this. But that would be quite pretty actually. In a corner, or like a spotlight eye. So just something to dab on the middles of your eyes, but it blends quite nicely. It doesn't excite me that much because I don't really like putting them on my face, but I will give it a go on my eyelids. So those are all the products, so I'll just gather them all up. So as well as all my sanitary protection for the month, I have opted for the Pamper box as well. So we've got 7 products in all. We always get 7. We always get a sweet treat and we always get a tea bag. So there's those. And these are the beauty products. So we've got an eye mask, we've got a hair mask, we've got a liquid highlighter, we've got an iron supplement, and we've got a moisturising. We've got them there. In all honesty, I'm quite surprised these aren't repeats. I've never had them. The actual thought behind the items as well, I think we've got a really good mix, like hair mask, eye mask, liquid highlighter, iron supplement. I love that in a period box. I think that's brilliant. And then the creams and everything, I think it's nice. I think it's really nice. It's not a wow box. It's not an amazing box. I think the most exciting thing for me is the Avant cream. It's just a teeny tiny sample, so that's not going to last long at all. Maybe a day and a night, and that is it. Just get one day use out of it, but yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I'm glad I resubscribed, but will I carry on? I don't know, because having a few months off, I've realised how affordable sanitary protection can be if you look around. Yes, I bought some pads from Aldi. In all honesty, they're not very good at all. They just, I think they were under £1, maybe 70p, something like that, or 50p, I'm not sure. So super cheap, super affordable, but not the best quality. They did the trick, but they're not the best. But then I can buy Always Ultras and all the brands that you know, probably the ones that I've got in this box actually. I can get them for £1 in the pound shop. So my period has literally cost me about £3–4 a month, something like that, if that. Maybe less, I'm not too sure. So it's a big difference to £13.50 for this box. So basically, I'm paying £10 for these. Really, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think? Do you think I should keep it? Do you think they have changed the last couple of months? They have pulled through and they're now changing. I'm thinking I should just dip in and out of it every couple of months so that I can tell you all about it, because my channel is mainly unboxings and beauty related and things like that, so it's more information given. I don't know. So yeah, all your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.